The daily code snippet. Are the attributes for the audio element the same as the video element? Good question. We find that there are some differences. For example, without a video component, it is unnecessary to control the width and the height, nor is it necessary to support the poster attribute. However, several of the same attributes apply to the audio element. The autoplay attribute will automatically begin in playback, which again should be avoided in most cases. The preload attribute can also be set to none, auto, or metadata. As a reminder, none does not preload the audio, auto can preload the whole audio, and metadata will preload only the metadata. You would again add these attributes to the opening tag as follows in this example. Here, if the media types are supported, the audio will autoplay, but the presence of the controls allows the user to stop the playback. The file will be preloaded to assist smoother playback. Presented by Designers Learn Code.